None of our speakers are virtual. They're all here in person today. So we see 50 speakers on stage. We have a lot of discussion panels. We fit 5 to 6 people on stage in one panel. Every single panelist will be asked what they're investing in right now, what they're looking for, what are their mandates, what strategies they're implementing, so you can all learn from them. 70% of the 50 speakers on stage today will be investors and family offices. So you can learn mostly from them. Some people on stage will be investment managers, investment advisors, and people that work with investors. The longest standalone talk will be with billionaire Larry Namer, who sold the E! Channel to Comcast for over $3 billion. I'll be interviewing him later this afternoon, so don't miss that. Our other headliner, Mitzi Perdue, will be on stage right after me this morning. It comes from the Perdue chicken family and the Sheraton Hotel family, I believe it is. So don't miss her talk right after this. We try to keep the day moving very quick. We don't have any professors or economists up here speaking for 45 minutes on global macroeconomics. We don't have anyone talking for an hour about their XYZ fund. Everything's fast moving and quick. So if you don't like someone who's on stage, it's going to be over before you know it. And the next content will be here. I've had to attend every one of our 185 events, and I don't want to get bored at my own events. So I script all the discussion panel questions on things that I selfishly want to know. So if you've been to a lot of our events, it's not going to be exactly like the other ones. But we want a lot of connections to come and happen. Not a single one of the 50 speakers you see here on stage today was paid to speak. We don't have a past Army general or somebody who was famous in sports 30 years ago here to draw you into the room. These are people that came to speak because they want to transact, source deal flow, and do business. They're not here just to put on a show and be a famous name on stage. So that's important to know about us as well.